This is Nana LeAnna here with Henry. He wants to show us his Hot Wheels track. Henry, what did you tell me about it?
This is a drive up, and that's a drive up, and this is a drive up. And here's another drive up for getting in the parking place.
So what are the cars we're going to use? Okay, bring them over here.
But they have to park right there to wait.
So what car is that?
Flying car.
A flying car? Well, you don't need a road for a flying car, do you?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, okay.
So other cars can drive on it. Will have wheels.
Okay, so it's a Hot Wheels road.
Yeah, because it has this in the middle and this on the side.
Okay, a Hot Wheels road. So a flying car at least uses the road so he'll know where he's going.
He's a fast racer.
He is. Woo! He's
It's coming out. The coolest one ever.
Okay, here we go. Excitement is building.
Red.
It looks like he's...
Go!
Here's the police car. Why's he been called?
Cause he's going to jail.
Oh no, he's taking the car to jail?
For the finest car was the newest car ever.
What's special about that car? Ooh, the side doors come open. Ooh, show me the side doors. Oh boy, that is special. Okay, what cars do you have? They're all lining up. I think this big pink one's awfully big for the track. Ooh, let's see. What cars do you have? Are they racing? And they're revving their engines? Well, this big one's going to take over the whole track. Okay, follow it through. Follow the track.
The car is the one with the actually Chevrolet car.
Okay, here we go.
Stop. She has the red light.
Ooh, okay.
Green light.
All right. Now the next car is which one?
He's out of the race now.
Oh, okay. The next one? Bring it up. Shouldn't he follow all the way around the track first? Ooh, here you go.
Red.
Okay. Then they're back, parked in the back. The next one.
Pink
The pink one. I don't know how he's going to ride the track, but... Ooh, what's his name? Pinky?
That he doesn't have any name. His name is...
Pepto-Bismol.
His name is Kilimanjaro.
Okay. Bring them on. Vroom, vroom.
Stop.
Red light.
Green.
Ooh, he's way too big for this track. But there you go. Okay, now he goes parked. Okay, now you have 2 cars left. Woo.
The next one is the incredible flying car.
Ooh, he just flies. Ooh, that's an advantage or disadvantage. Okay, now here's the last car. He's pulling in, stopping at the red light.
Gotta say green.
Green. Woo. Okay, now he goes back. Now, who won the race? Do we know who? Woo. You think
Brown.
the pink car won the race?
Yep.
That's not really fair. Oh boy, well.
How?